Shopify is our absolute favorite e-commerce platform, and there is so much capability within the platform that a lot of the features simply never get used. One of the most powerful features is the Shopify AR and 3D feature. Now, what this allows you to do is it allows you to take your phone, scan a model or an object, and upload that to your Shopify store. So when a user visits your site from a mobile device, they can place that object, whether it's on their kitchen countertop, in their office, in any other location that's a physical location. Now, Amazon has been using this technology for a very long time that allows them to sell more products that require kind of a visualization of where things would go. To get started, we're gonna post the link of how to enable AR and 3D into the links here. And if you have any questions or if you want to upgrade your theme to support this functionality, feel free to reach out at p3media.com.